Hi everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how you can automatically create dashed line or dot line as you see here only by one tap. As you see like here. It's not need to do something like this. It's not a good way. I don't recommend this. You see, for example, here I create another line. You see, just by one tap automatically creates a line. If you want to learn something like this, watch to the end. Let's delete. Okay, now let's start. Just click this ruler. For example, I want the length of the line extend to here. Just click here. I have this symbol. Double click on it. For example, I want this line. Okay. Now, for example, address. Okay. Just click tab. Directly it enters the dot line. Another one, for example, name. I come to here. I change the type of the line. Double click. Sorry. Double click on this symbol. This type, I select this one. Okay, now just tap. Automatically, it insert the line. Another one, for example, city. Again, I change the type of the line. Double click on this symbol. For example, this time I select this one. Okay, just tap on your keyboard. Okay, let this change its size to be more clear. Okay, and bold. That's the way to insert dashed line, dot line, or line professionally in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Have a nice day.